Red hat versus white hat. Red. Yep, we're picking red over white. Ready, Kitty Pationi? Karen's feeding the puppies.
Come here. June.
Watch him.
June.
Is you ready? Is you ready? Go. Huh? Okay.
At the beginning? It's you at the beginning, no, it's not dark.
Hello, kind of forgot about you here. We're doing pictures. Viviana's ready. Camera's dirty. We are off to Donnie's restaurant tavern thing. Ready? Kitty Pationi.
Ready to go eat some num-nums?
We're gonna do it with the bikes. Karen's taking the Magnum. And I'm taking the non-Magnum. Kitty Pationi, how do you get it, Pationi? Oh yeah. That's just comfy. That's just a feet spread. Oh nee, måste jag ha det. But så där är steg. Cutie! Hi Viviana!
Wow. Honey, come on the trees! Wow.
So pretty!
That's a puppy. That's a puppy. You probably stay on that side of the road.
The colors are pretty right now. So we were doing a garden tour? Is that what we were doing?
We're doing that.
Oh shit. Sorry. We're going a little fast right now. I'm going 20 miles an hour. 2 hands on the steering wheel. I'm pedaling and you're going faster than I know. Viviana, come on the airplane. Come on, the airplane. Cessna Caravan. Ready to go? Pretty colors.
My eyes are leaking.
Shout out Donnie. Phew. Oh no, Donnie is a guy that works in, I'm sure Donnie owns probably a section of this restaurant, but he started at the hardest time, I believe, you could start a restaurant. In the whole Rona, whatever time thing you want to call it. So shout out to you. We are headed your way and you can have our monies. Wow, I am winded. Yeah, I was trying to keep up with Magnum. Whew. Hashtag macaroni, tell me about the double prayer. About the double prayer. Oh, thank you, Holy Father, for the steak. Honey, as you know, I'm gonna have a sauce. Good job. Alright, it got dark on us outside, so we're gonna sign it off here. Viviana is getting ready, and Donnie's Tavern pub something in Zoar is good. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
You're welcome.